2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? It's the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a very cool song by the band, The Weight. Okay, so let's start with putting a capo on 2nd fret, please. 1, 2. This is going to make it easier to for beginners and so we don't have to play that many bar chords and stuff. All right, so the song is in a G shape. 1, 2, 3. Then we do have a B minor. So bar, 2nd fret, A string, and then 4, 4, 3. But if you're a beginner, we can get away with playing this B. That's 2 on the A string and 2 on the G string. That's a good B that we can play as a beginner. And then we have a C. 1, 2, 3. So that's a verse. B minor, C to G. G, B minor. C to G, G, B minor, C to G, B to B minor. And the strumming is down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. With the G, we can do some fill in a little bit. With the G, that's kind of cool. 1st finger B string, 2nd finger D string. Down, 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 up, down, up, down. And then for the chorus, taking a load of Fanny. That's G, G, F sharp over G to C. So play G like this, 3rd fret B. Just go down half a step. Keep pinky where it is. So to C. You can play G, D, C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. And then we have it's in between the verses and the chorus every time. That's G, F sharp over G, E minor, D, C. Alright, back to verse, come on. do, do. One more verse, come on. Two times at that. Do 3 times. Cool. Thanks, guys, for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow with more awesome songs. Be safe. Thanks, guys.